Magic can look like pure sorcery, making coins vanish, reading minds, or splitting people in half without a drop of blood. But behind every epic illusion is a clever secret. Today, we'll explore some legendary feats from biting coins in half to making giant trains disappear. Prepare for disappearing drinks, folding money, floating scarves, and more. Let's peek behind the curtain of these jaw-dropping deceptions. Biting a coin in half. Imagine borrowing a quarter, chomping off a big chunk of it, then instantly making it whole again. That's the premise of the iconic biting coin trick. The real secret is in the special folding coin that can bend not once but twice, allowing the magician to simulate biting metal and then restoring it. Some of these coins are so well crafted that they pass for genuine currency and can even be maneuvered inside a bottle, making it look as though the coin has penetrated the solid glass wall. The moral of the story: if you ever see someone casually biting money, there's a good chance you won't want to use that coin for the vending machine afterward. Mathematical tricks. Not every trick relies on hidden compartments or complicated rigging. Some illusions hinge on math itself. One famous routine involves writing down 1089 on a piece of paper, then folding it. You have a volunteer choose any 3-digit number with distinct digits, reverse it, subtract the smaller from the larger number, reverse again, and then add. Mysteriously, the final answer always ends up being 1089. For maximum effect, you reveal the paper you set aside at the start, proving you predicted the outcome the entire time. It's a simple formula hidden behind a flurry of adding and subtracting that keeps the crowd guessing. Turning coffee into coin. In a classic David Blaine special, a homeless man's cup of coffee is given a magical shake and, poof, out pours a cascade of coins. While it might look spontaneous on TV, the trick calls for a gimmicked cup that needs advanced prep. Typically, a sponge is tucked inside to absorb the liquid, leaving room for hidden coins that can flow out at just the right moment. Of course, that implies the homeless man might be in on the stunt, but hey, illusions rarely rely on pure chance. The next time you see someone apparently transforming liquids into money, it's probably not a literal goldmine, just spongy trickery. Cigarette through a coin. A classic: you borrow a coin, maybe a 2-pounder or a quarter, and then penetrate it with a cigarette or pencil. The coin looks perfectly intact even as something passes straight through it. Gimmicked coins make this miracle possible. Behind the scenes, the metal is engineered with small hinges or openings so you can push an object in and out with ease. You show off the coin from every angle, giving the illusion of true sorcery, and then confidently hand it back. The real coin inevitably returns to your baffled volunteer who can't figure out how it all happened. It's a timeless piece of coin magic that never fails to spark confusion and admiration. The balloon magic tricks. Poking a skewer or needle right through a balloon without popping it is as simple as using a bit of science. Underinflating the balloon leaves its latex surface thicker, making it less prone to tearing. Magicians also coat the needle or skewer with lubrication so it glides right through. If you store your balloons in a cool place, like a refrigerator, they stay fresh and less likely to pop from dryness. Go too cold and they'll get brittle, which backfires spectacularly in front of an audience. In short, you can dramatically pierce a balloon, show it fully inflated, and remain pop-free, leaving folks wide-eyed and curious. The better way you can add transparent tape on a balloon: it will let the needle enter the balloon without any blast. Cut and restore tricks. Imagine a rope sliced in two, then magically fused back together. Sometimes the magician sneaks in an extra piece of rope, cutting only the decoy while preserving the real rope's length. In other cases, they might stealthily cut near one end so the missing portion is too small for the audience to notice once it's all tidied up. Then there are gimmicked ropes that can physically rejoin using adhesives or hidden magnets. Whether you use an actual rope, a string, or a piece of cloth, the real artistry lies in controlling the audience's focus and making them believe they truly witnessed an impossible restoration. Will-size coin matrix. The matrix routine is a close-up trick that positions 4 coins under 4 separate cards. One by one, coins appear to jump across the table, all ending up under a single card. Will Tsai famously performed a high-tech spin on this, using a display that made the coins move with near-robotic precision. Traditionally, the secret is good old sleight of hand. You create the illusion of each coin sliding over in plain sight, but cunning palming and timing mean your spectators never catch you. It's an example of how a classic effect can still wow people when you add your own flair. A coin through glass. Borrow a coin, have it signed by a spectator, and place it under an upside-down glass. After some dramatic tapping or chanting, you bang the coin against the glass and it penetrates through, often landing inside even though the glass was never visibly lifted. Some variations allow for a borrowed beer mat to be placed underneath or the coin to be caught on the other side. In truth, you're working with well-disguised illusions, misdirection, or subtle gimmicks that let the coin move in ways the crowd doesn't anticipate. The trick is so mesmerizing that everyone's eyes are glued to that coin instead of noticing the real method. Scarf magic tricks. Pulling a scarf through your neck might sound like a Halloween stunt, but it's surprisingly harmless if you know the trick. Often the scarf is tied in a specific knot behind the performer's neck so that it looks tight, but in truth there's enough slack or a specific pivot point to let the cloth pass without choking you. A sudden yank, a flourish, and the scarf emerges on the other side, leaving stunned faces in your wake. Swap in a rope for a bigger stage version, and you've got a family-friendly spectacle that seems to defy the laws of common sense. Knife-throwing magic tricks. If you've ever seen a performer hurl knives at an assistant strapped to a spinning wheel, you might wonder, how is that even legal? The short answer is that it's mostly choreography. The thrower often targets the edges of the wheel or board in a certain pattern, carefully placing each blade far from the partner's body. Some illusions use pre-inserted knives that pop out from the other side when triggered, making it look like the thrower is unbelievably accurate. Regardless, it's a nail-biter for the audience, who can't help but imagine a slip of the wrist turning the act into a news headline. Orient Express carriage tricks. David Copperfield made an entire dining car from the Orient Express train vanish from plain sight, only to bring it back a moment later. It's a high-profile example of stage illusions at scale involving giant curtains platforms that shift and an entire crew of stagehands. Typically, the train car might be quietly moved off stage, while bright lights, dramatic music, and a mesmerizing performance keep viewers too enchanted to suspect any big mechanical maneuvering. Copperfield's illusions often revolve around large objects, jets, buildings, and more, earning him the title of one of the most commercially successful magicians ever. Mint through jaw tricks. Picture a magician placing a mint inside their mouth, swallowing it, then pulling that mint out again, except this time it's looped through a piece of thread. This comedic effect, known as minto or linking mints, often relies on a pre-threaded mint that can be stashed discreetly. The secret might lie in shifting the real mint around in your mouth and subtly swapping it for the threaded one. It's silly, but audiences love the comedic shock factor. You basically pretend to thread candy through your face, which is as bizarre as it sounds. AGT snowman tricks. On America's Got Talent, Matt Franco created a winter wonderland moment. He had 3 judges pick separate parts of a snowman from a notepad, effectively randomizing the final arrangement. Then a sealed gift box on stage was opened to reveal a real snowman that matched their chosen design. As if that wasn't enough, every audience member discovered a matching image tucked beneath their seat. The reveal was a double whammy that harnessed both stage illusions and mass participation. Chances are multiple versions of the snowman were prepped, or the random picks weren't as random as they appeared. Still, the cozy holiday twist gave it irresistible charm. Penn and Teller's bullet catch. Penn and Teller often highlight the potential danger of illusions. Their magic bullet routine has them shoot at each other with .357 magnums only to catch the bullets in their teeth. They even allow the bullets to be signed, then show the signature after catching them. The rifling marks on the bullet look authentic too. Most likely there's a switch at some point, or the real bullets are never fired. But the spectacle is intense enough to make you think, what if they messed up just once? That tension forms the core of many of their illusions, blending comedy with oh-so-credible danger. Pendragon's metamorphosis. Jonathan and Charlotte Pendragon hold a world record for the fastest transformation illusion with a trick called metamorphosis. Jonathan is placed in a sack, which is then secured in a box. Charlotte stands on top, raises a drape for only a second, and when she drops it, Jonathan is suddenly there, and Charlotte is in the box. The effect relies on lightning-fast movement, a cleverly rigged bag, and impeccable timing. Metamorphosis is so breathtakingly swift that you'd think the two literally teleported. The entire routine occurs in seconds, adding to the feeling that you've just witnessed something impossible. Free bus rider tricks. Magician Dynamo once staged a levitation beside a moving double-decker bus in London as a promotional stunt. Photos showed him casually clinging to the bus with one arm floating alongside the giant vehicle as it traveled. In reality, there was likely a concealed support structure built into his clothes and connected to the bus itself. Yet from a distance, it looked like pure defiance of gravity. The publicity soared, people gawked in the streets, and news outlets had a field day debating how he pulled it off. Sometimes illusions rely not on advanced tech, but on simple hidden beams and showmanship. Zigzag Girl Trick. The Zigzag Girl is an iconic spin on sawing illusions. The assistant steps into a cabinet, and the magician slides out the middle third, apparently showing her torso is entirely removed from the rest of her body. She even waves or moves, proving she's still inside. After sliding the panels back together, the assistant walks away unscathed. Mechanisms inside the box allow her to twist and bend safely, while certain parts remain hidden. Painted outlines, misdirection, and the assistant's careful positioning all contribute to the convincing effect. It's a magical puzzle that keeps you scratching your head even after you learn the basics. Surviving the cut. Sawing a person into 2 or 3 pieces is an illusion as old as top hats and wands. One version involves an assistant crouching to fit inside a smaller section of the box, while a fake pair of legs is displayed at the other end. Sometimes illusions rely on hinged compartments that let the assistant curl up safely. Dividers slide in, the box splits, and the audience collectively gasps. Next thing you know, everything's reassembled and the assistant emerges all smiles. It's all about hiding body parts behind cunning partitions while letting the audience's imagination run wild. David Copperfield took the sawing routine to another level by framing it as an escape gone horribly wrong. He was chained beneath a massive circular saw, and as the saw descended, he hadn't broken free in time. The blade appeared to split him in half. After a dramatic meltdown, time was magically reversed, and he emerged intact. It's basically a reinvention of standard illusions, a combination of cunning contraptions, false table surfaces, hidden compartments, and sensational acting. By framing it as a lethal near-miss, Copperfield heightened the suspense to nerve-jangling levels, leaving audiences slack-jawed at the near catastrophe. Card tricks. Few things scream classic magic like a deck of cards. Simple illusions often rely on memorizing the bottom card, shuffling just so, and then controlling the position of your volunteer's chosen card. For instance, you might look all casual with your random cuts, but each slice of the deck is planned to keep the memorized card right on top of the spectator's card. After some sly rearranging, maybe removing jokers or acting confused while searching, you stack them together in a way that lets you reveal the spectator's card at will. It's beginner-friendly, but still crowd-pleasing. The biggest challenge? Keeping your cool so that nobody sees you peek or notices you counting off those carefully stacked cards. Mind-reading tricks. David Blaine once stunned none other than Professor Stephen Hawking by having the famous physicist pick a random card from an ordinary deck. The box was open, the deck was flipped, and astonishingly, the chosen card was right there at the bottom. How? The simplest explanation is always some sneaky prearrangement. Blaine's real genius lies in making it look impossible by emphasizing Hawking's free choice of any card. Having an iconic mind like Hawking marvel at a miracle only amplifies the effect. But behind the scenes, a magician might have memorized entire decks, forced a card on the participant, or used extra limmer sleight of hand. A moving piece of cloth. Magicians sometimes talk about ghosts or spirits lifting a handkerchief, but the secret is a cleverly concealed gimmick. One popular effect is glorpy, where a translucent cloth mysteriously rises and falls as though haunted. Outside the realm of stage magic, you might even find special reflective materials that vanish you in flash photography. Some scarves on the market reflect camera flashes so intensely that the person wearing them becomes an unrecognizable blur in photos. It's not quite invisibility, but it makes paparazzi shots near useless. Talk about magical and fashionable problem solving. Catching bullet with teeth. The legendary bullet catch has a storied and sometimes tragic history. Performers load a gun and appear to fire a real bullet at the magician, who then catches it between their teeth or in a metal dish. Often the weapon is rigged so the bullet never truly fires. The musician or volunteer who loads the bullet might unknowingly cooperate by handing over a dummy round. Occasionally, an entirely normal shell is used, but the actual projectile is palmed and ends up in the magician's mouth well before the audience hears the gunshot. Sadly, a few illusions have ended in fatal accidents when poorly rigged firearms malfunctioned, proving that even with cunning illusions, real danger can lurk. Which magic trick do you find the most mind-blowing? Would you rather learn the secrets or keep the mystery alive? Let us know in the comments below. Like always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave us some love in the comments section. To keep up to date with all of our awesome videos, be sure to hit subscribe and turn your notifications on to never miss a thing. Until next time, do take good care of yourself.